What's going on, guys? It's Law 100. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can be profitable during a recession. So whether that be through crypto, stock market, or even Forex, in this tutorial I'm going to be just showing you binary options on Forex. So I'm specifically trading a commodity. Whenever I hop on to trade binary options, I have realized that I like trading US crude and UK Brent the most, just because I feel like these indicators and my strategy work best with these oil companies. But that's just my opinion. It also works for GBP, JPY, or other Forex pairs. This also does work pretty well with gold, but I only do that ever so often just because gold always moves really crazy and really fast. So sometimes you'll see it stabilize a little bit, then it's good to hop on. So you'll see me hop on gold a couple of trades in this tutorial as well. I'm going to show you how I ran up $60 up to $160 in this video. So yeah, you can easily make a few extra $100 a day if that's your goal. You can make a lot more, but you're also risking more, you know what I mean? So always play with money you're not afraid to lose. This does require a lot of discipline and patience. And yeah, let me show you guys how I went ahead and made that extra $100 today. Alright, cool. So right here you can see that I put a sell on US crude. And the reason I did that is because at the bottom you can see that indicator, the stochastic oscillator. Basically, whenever the green line kind of crosses the red line to go down, that kind of gives me that indication that it might do a little downtrend for a little bit, you know, because we're trading in the minutes, so this is like going up and down really fast. We're not trading on the day or things like that. So yeah, I went ahead and put that sell, and the way this works is pretty simple too. See how on the right side you can see a time limit? So since I put sell, that means within those 3 minutes it has to cross down from my entry point. And if it does, then basically I'm in the money, and then I receive the payout that they're paying, which is 80% in this instance. That does fluctuate. Sometimes they pay less. Like if some of them are paying like 50%, if you're profitable, and you probably don't want to enter, versus one that is paying like 80 or 90%, because obviously you're at the end of the day you're still risking your money, but one of them pays more. You always want to make as much as you can. So I ended up winning that trade, and then I began looking for another entry, and then that's when I found a perfect setup on US crude. So basically you can see that the price was moving under the Boilinger bands, and then you can also see the stochastic oscillator. The green was starting to kind of cross over the red, so I was looking for a buy, so I immediately bought, and then now you can see what ends up happening. This one was really tricky since the price stayed right above my entry point, and you can see it kind of just fluctuate there, but I ended up winning it. It was literally right on the line when it expired, but a dub's a dub, so I'm happy about that. So after winning that trade, that brought my account up to $128, and then I immediately found a perfect entry on gold. So I saw gold was just bouncing off of the Boilinger bands, so I just placed a sell, and yeah, this one was pretty easy. And then I was basically gonna win that sell. Like after a candlestick dropping that much, you're not gonna lose that if you place the sell. And so I went ahead and put a couple to go up, since it's basically just bouncing off of the Boilinger bands. So that's an easy way to win in either direction, really. Unfortunately, only one of those two ended up winning. If I would have put like 5 minutes instead of 3 minutes for the first one to go up, I probably would have won it. But it is what it is. I like trading only with threes, so it's all good. You're not gonna win them all. I'm just happy I was able to win 2 out of 3 for gold. And so yeah, I ended up making some profit from those gold trades, and then I immediately saw a perfect entry on UK Brent. As you can see that the price was moving above the Bollinger bands, and then again you can see the green line crossing the red, like if it's gonna come down on the stochastic oscillator indicator at the bottom. So I went ahead and put a sell right there, and it's for 3 minutes. So yeah, let's just see what happens. So yeah, as you can see, once again, I was in the green. I'm telling you guys, these indicators work really well, especially with these commodities. Just know what you're doing. Don't risk too much. Have discipline, patience, because you got to keep watching it. You don't want to get in too early or you're going to get cooked. And I like following the 3-minute trades. Those just always work. And that was just a really easy way to run up $60 up to $160. Like really easy. Like you guys have the strategy in front of you. You guys should give it a try. Like I said, just play with gamble money, because sometimes the markets can be a little crazy. You know, you just got to come in with your game plan. You got to stay true to yourself, follow your strategies. Don't trade against the market, trade with the market. See what the market is doing, see what it's printing out, what it's doing, and kind of just follow along with it, and you could be pretty profitable. But yeah, that's all I got for today. If you guys want to see more videos like this, then please leave a like down below. It'll tell YouTube that you like seeing content like this, so the YouTube algorithm will keep showing you awesome videos like this on how to make money. And be sure to leave a comment down below if there's anything you want to learn or want me to teach you anything. Go ahead and comment. I'm always here and available. And yeah, I hope you guys liked my video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Peace.